This is how I made money, by letting someone else steal my work. Okay, maybe they didn't steal it because I actually gave them permission. You get my point. Now, I've created a book and resources for musicians that help them build their career online. I had contacted another company that had a following of all kinds of musicians that want the same result. So there were another company that helps musicians, singers, rappers build their business online. So what I did was I approached them and I said, hey, I have this whole book that will help your audience achieve exactly what they want to achieve, get their music out to the world. So I approached another company that has the same audience. They have musicians that follow them that want to get exposure to their music. And I said, hey, I have this book, I have this resource that I wrote that's going to help your audience. How about we package it and put your name on the front cover and we sell it to your audience? And so they did. So they took my book, put their name on it, I put their emblem, I actually did it for them, and they sent it out to their list. I even wrote out their emails for them. In about 2 days, we did about $3,500 in sales. We split it and I made a little over $1,700 just for approaching them. Now, we've done that a few times actually with the same company, and every time we do it, we make a few extra $1,000 just for sending out a few emails, and because I let them steal my work or borrow.